Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the chapter number 7, Festivals are Fun. Do you celebrate the festivals at your home? Here in this chapter we see Christmas, Nowruz, Gurupurb, Eid, Diwali and Holi. About these 6 festivals we are going to see in this chapter. Before that, let me introduce some word meanings. Bake, be cooked or by dry heat in an oven. Sweet, tasting like sugar. Festivals, a public celebration. Candle, a length of wax with a string. Wear, to have some clothes on our body. Here, the first festival is saying about Christmas. What is Christmas? Do you know? It's birthday of Jesus Christ. It comes on December 25th and we bake on this special day the sweet cake. Cake means baking to be cooked by dry heat in oven. It is very sweet and we wear on that day new clothes. Next, Nowruz. Nowruz is a celebration of Parsi New Year. On this day, they make the special sweet, it's called Ravo. And on this celebrating day, they decorate their houses with so many things and enjoy the day with their friends. Next comes Gurupurb. Gurupurb is the festival of Guru Nanak's birthday. They go to the Gurudwara and pray. Next comes Eid. Eid comes after Ramzan. And Ramzan is a month of fasting. And on those days, they give food and clothes to the poor people. And they make a special sweet, it's called Swein. And they wear new clothes. Next comes Diwali. Diwali is a celebration of light. The houses are decorated with lights and candles. And they have sweets. They will be having sweets and make fun with their friends. And the last one is Holi. Holi is a festival of color. They make fun with their friends and enjoy the day, and they celebrate the day with color. Now let's read the chapter. Chapter number 7, Festivals are Fun. Dora and her friends are playing. Dora: I will go home and help Mummy bake a cake. It's a special cake. Alia: why is it a special cake? Dora: we bake it for Christmas. Christmas is on 25th December. It's the birthday of Jesus Christ. The children think of the cake and lick their lips. Then some comments they are passing. Come home tomorrow. We will have some cake. I love cake. Ava: on Nowruz, we make a special sweet called Ravo. Then Anik: what is Nowruz? Ava: Nowruz is a Parsi New Year. It falls on 21st March. On Nowruz, we decorate our house and have fun with our friends. Jessie: festivals are such fun. I enjoy all the festivals with my family. We go to the Gurudwara on Guru Nanak's birthday. It is called Gurupurb. Alia: I love Eid. It comes after Ramzan. Ramzan is a month of fasting. On the day of Eid, we give clothes and food to the poor. We have a special sweet called Swein. We wear new clothes. The festivals I like the most is Diwali. It is the festival of lights. We decorate our house with candles and lights. We have sweets. We wear new clothes. Ravi. I love Holi. It is the festival of colors. We play with colored water. Holi is such fun. We love all festivals. I hope this chapter you have understood and the exercise will be given later. Thank you.